Holiday Inn Express and Suites Brookshire, 34,103 Katy Freeway, Brookshire, Texas.
Today we are going to check out the Katy Freeway Holiday Inn Express, room 404. Inside, we have a ledge that comes with free bags. We have a full-size body mirror. Here we have the microwave that we really missed at the last hotel we went to. We've got the mini refrigerator. We've got the Keurig with the coffees, the cups, and the teas. We have an ice bucket with cups and our ice bucket. We have an armoire here. Inside the armoire, we have an iron, a hair dryer. We have a couple of hangers, an ironing board, and room for your luggage. Right here, we do have room for 2 luggages here. We have 3 hangers. Next to the entertainment center, we have the movable flat screen TV where you can angle it wherever you want to see it. We have a desk that has 3 drawers for your clothes. These are easy close drawers. We do have lighting here with a plug for charging and 2 regular plugs. We also have a lamp with some European plugs on the back. We've got 2 regular plugs on the wall and a phone. With our desk and the office chair, we have our trash can that is lined. 2 queen beds, soft as usual, with 2 firm and 2 soft pillows. We have a office chair here and a nice light. Here inside the bathroom, we have the regular vanity. We have 2 cups. We have 2 bar soaps and a body lotion with a fresh box of Kleenex tissues, 2 rolls of toilet paper, and an elongated toilet for those people with nice sized heinies. We also have the regular shower head that's sitting at about 6'4", so it's over my head, which will be nice. And we have the usual shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, 2 towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. And then we have an additional towel and hand towel here on the bottom with a trash bag in the bathroom vanity. Got the bags open and ready to go. Is of the parking lot and the Taco Bell next door as we are right off of Highway 10 heading on the road trip. My beautiful wife says this hotel is new, apparent by the fresh carpet and the designer lights on the walls, as well as the elevator looks nice on the inside. What do you say, beautiful wife?